Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming account access and file readiness. Sign into Google Publisher Center and select Add Publication, then choose the book upload option. Upload your EPUB or PDF immediately so you see parsing errors fast. Make sure the cover is high resolution and named clearly. Enter core metadata fields now: title, author, language, ISBN, because they populate search and preview. Once done, save progress frequently to avoid data loss and to allow Google to index preliminary details while you refine metadata and process the file. Fill the long description, categories, keywords, and publication date so discoverability improves. Upload the EPUB and inspect internal navigation, fonts, and image sizes. Compressed images speed loading, but avoid visible artifacts. Choose DRM only if you need copy protection, because it affects user access. Use the built-in previewer to scan layout and fix parsing errors. Then validate with an external EPUB validator to catch structural issues before publishing. Finally, configure distribution, pricing, and sample settings. Choose territories and set a retail price or make the book free. Click Publish and monitor the processing status. Indexing can take up to 48 hours, so be patient while Google generates previews and search entries. If something goes wrong, check the upload logs for specific error codes, reupload a corrected EPUB, and clear cache before previewing again. If persistent, contact Google support with the upload log attached and a concise reproduction of the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.